Hey, this is Tom Tanner with the Roanoke Small Business Development Center. I want to talk to you real quick about the employee retention credits. If you have employees, you want to listen to that. This is not for sole proprietors unless you have employees. But if you have employees and your business lost some income or was shut down last year, then you want to listen to this. So, what is the employee retention credit? It basically provides a tax credit for any business that experienced a fully or partially suspended operation due to COVID-19 and was shut down because of government authority, or that you had a 50% decline in revenue for any quarter in 2020 versus the same quarter in 2019. Okay. In 2021, this even changes that if you had a drop to 80% of the same quarter compared to 2019, you can still claim it for 2021. But you can also go back to 2020 and claim it if you had a 50% or more. Also available for nonprofits or for-profits. Again, it's not available for the self-employed unless you got employees, and is available even if you receive PPP funds. So 50% decline is basically looking at quarter to quarter of 2020 versus 2019. And the same thing for 80% for 2021. It's from January 1st to June 30th. So you're looking at first quarter and second quarter of 2021 versus the same quarter in 2019. So what's the credit? It's equal to 50% of the qualified wages paid to an eligible employee during this period. So for 2020, the maximum amount is $10,000 in wages or a $5,000 credit. So if you pay $10,000 of qualified wages during the claim period, you can get up to a $5,000 credit. And you can cross over to multiple quarters. And this, even if the employee is still working and you're paying the worker, you can still claim the credit. Also, it covers health insurance premiums and things like that. Again, the covered period is in March 13th to December 31st. So for 2021, it's equal to 70% of the qualified wages paid to eligible employees. So for 2021, the maximum amount of qualified wages that you can claim is $10,000 or a maximum of $7,000 per employee per quarter. So even if the employee is still working, you can claim the credit. Again, all you had to have was an 80% at 80% of sales or a 20% loss during any quarter of 2021 versus 2019. So if you're claiming, you basically, for 2020, you would have to file 941 adjusted with a 941X, which is an adjusted employee's return, which you can claim for refund. If for 2021, you just claim your credit on your 941, or you can ask for credit ahead of time, or you can reduce your amount of payments that you make on your tax payments. So anyway, to look at the long presentation that I did, go to roanokesmallbusiness.org, click on this little employee retention button, and I'll go into a lot more detail as to what we covered and how you claim it, et cetera, et cetera. So again, roanokesmallbusiness.org, go down to employee retention credits, and it will pull up the one that you're looking for. And let us know how we can help you in any way. We look forward to answering your questions and help you take advantage of this great credit that's available to people who have employees. Thanks.